Looking for a natural way to strengthen your heart and calm your mind? Hi, I'm Jenny. Join me today as we explore a powerful Qigong routine designed to enhance your heart health through gentle Qigong movements, meridian activation, and soothing sound healing techniques. Let's begin with some gentle warm-ups for the neck and shoulders to release tension. Separate the feet about hip-width apart, toes pointing forward, soften the knees, relax the hip joints. And from here, reach your shoulders all the way up to your ears, squeeze out the tensions there. Open the chest and glide the shoulder blades down while you're exhaling. Again, breathing in. Open the chest, exhale on the way down. Take your time, breathing in. Shoulders up, breathing out, and down. Again, inhale. Circular motion for your shoulder joint, and then feel the chest opening on the front. Exhale. And let's reverse the direction. So pinch the shoulder blades together, reach the shoulders up, go forward. Let me turn to my side. Okay, and then you're gonna go this way. Inhale up. Exhale forward and add the whole body into it. So undulating the spine like a wave and draw this earth energy from the feet and let it come in through the lower abdomen, lower dantian, go all the way to the top of your head. So gliding through the whole body. Inhale and exhale. One more time, breathing in, chest open. When you breathe out, release tension, diving forward. And then just let yourself come back to upright position. Shrug your shoulders, hands on your hip joints. Tuck your chin down. We're just gonna do some gentle neck roll. From here, rocking your head over to the left side. Go really slow. Left ear to the left shoulder. We're mirrors of each other. Slowly back center. Inhale. Exhale, right ear to the right shoulder. Take your time. Again, center. Just drawing a half circle with the crown of your head. Back center, inhale, and exhale. I'm gonna come back center again. Upright, neck straight, and your torso straight. Inhale to your lower abdomen or lower dantian. Exhale, look over your left shoulder, so chin over. Keep your neck straight, so we're not leaning. Inhale, center. Exhale, the other side. One more, breathing into the lower abdomen, breathing out. Look over. Good, back center, inhale and exhale. And slowly coming back. Last one, left ear to the left shoulder. Stay there. You can reach the right hand down and just stretch. Good, the top of your right shoulder. Inhale. Exhale again, maybe flex at the wrist. Slowly coming back center, hand back onto the hip, inhale. When you exhale, right ear to the right shoulder. And then reach your left hand down. Good, breathing in. And when you breathe out this time, press through the heel of your palm. Drag your shoulder down, getting blood and energy to circulate better in the neck and shoulder area. Helps with arteries over here, nerves, and slowly coming back. And just gently roll the shoulders up back and then shrug a few times. Let's activate our heart meridians with gentle tapping. So the first point of the heart meridian begins in the armpit, and the channel has 9 points. It's going to run on the inside of the arm. So you can connect to the inner edge of your elbow crease. This is heart 3. And it keeps on going on the inside of the forearm to the inner wrist crease. This is heart 7, really good for insomnia. Edge of your palm on the inside, and then inside of the pinky to the edge of the nail bed side. This is heart 9. So 9 points. You can either stimulate the first point, which also has lymph nodes, which is really good for circulation. So you can massage this way or cup your hands and tapping, right? So tapping, sending healing vibrations to your heart meridian on the inside of the arm, palm side, and inside of the pinky. And again, tapping, softly bounce your knees. Good, tap on the inside and then going on the inside of the pinky to heart 9. One more time, taking your time. So the heart meridian is active between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. So you can do this tapping during this time if it's okay for you, and give it a nice sweep, so letting go of any heaviness we might hold in this meridian channel. We'll learn more about emotions towards the end of this video, so stick around. We're gonna get the other side of this meridian. So meridians are mirror images. We have it on this side of the body too. Cup your hands, heart 1 first, and then inside of the arm, bicep, heart, and then your forearm, palm, heart 9, all the way. You can also stimulate heart 9 with your nail. So inner edge of the nail bed, massage. You can pinch a little bit, exhaling out. Good, and let's do it again. So cupping the hand, tap, breathing out. You can bounce the knees, palm side, inside of your pinky, and again, 9 points on this channel. Okay, so we're gonna give it a nice sweep. Again, letting go of any leftover tension. Roll the shoulders up, back and down. We are also going to stimulate the channels with gentle Qigong movements. If you are enjoying these healing exercises so far, remember to subscribe to the channel and share this with someone who can also benefit. Let's bring the palms in front of the lower dantian to cultivate energy before our Qigong movement. Palms facing each other, soften the knees as you breathe in, expanding the space between the palms. As you exhale, gently contracting the space. Again, inhale and exhale. One more as you breathe in, feel that energy expanding also in your body. Healing energy coming in. When you exhale, releasing any leftover tension. And let's practice the first movement. As you inhale, standing up a little bit taller, spreading the arms out just about 45 degrees. Start to rotate from the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, and also keeping the neck upright, looking over the left shoulder, turning the palms to face back. Look slightly behind if you're able to. Gently, as you exhale, pressing the palms down to face the earth. Okay, again, inhale, open the chest, look over right side, gently twisting the palms back, stretching the channels in your arms, 6 meridians in each arm. This is called wise owl gazes backwards. Inhale, draw healing energy in through the feet to your lower dantian, to your middle dantian, the chest, and then turning the head over, keeping the neck upright, twisting the pinkies up, help you to activate the heart meridian too. Palms down, again, inhale, open the chest, turn the palms back. Looking slightly backwards will also kind of signal that we're leaving whatever happened in the past. Again, inhale, rise, open, look over. If you're comfortable, gently hold breath in your lower abdomen. Pause for a little bit. Exhale, palms facing down. Again, breathing in. Pausing slightly. Breathing out. Pressing the palms down. One last time, feel the energy flowing in. Inhale. Pause if you can. Exhale, pressing the palms down. Receive that earth grounding energy coming up. Inhale. Pause, exhale, pressing the palms down. You can practice this move more if you would like. Taking a breath, inhale. When you exhale, letting your hands come to in front of your lower abdomen. This move is very good for our central nervous system, also great for boosting circulation for energy and blood to our head area. And it's also excellent for alleviating high blood pressure and hardened arteries. I'll link another video below in the description for Tai Chi and Qigong for lowering blood pressure naturally. Let's practice the second Qigong move, draw the bow to shoot the hawk, which is also from the 8 Pieces of Brocades. It's excellent for opening the chest area. Starting with your hands in front of the lower abdomen, we're going to gently pull the weight into the right leg, your right leg. Okay? When you're ready, step out with your left foot out about double hip width apart. crossing the arms in front of the chest with your left hand on the outside. We're going to curl the fingers for the inside hand, your right hand. Let me turn the palm just to face you. So 4 fingers in, thumb this way, so like a tiger's claw. And the other hand also palm facing in, curling the bottom 3 fingers, leaving index finger and your thumbs extended. And when we exhale, we're going to sink into our horse riding stance like this. At the same time, extending the arms out, keeping the right elbow bent, and then stretching the left arm out, keeping the neck upright. Look over the left side, look beyond your index finger. So as if you're pulling onto a really strong bowl. And to come out of it, inhale, relaxing the arms, the hands, stepping your left foot back with the feet together to the right side. So step your right leg out, crossing the hands with the right hand on the outside, curling the fingers, getting ready. Inhale, exhale. So when you're here, let me show you my horse stance. You want to make sure the center of the kneecap is pointing to the second toes to protect the knees, and then you also want to make sure the tailbone's dropped. So your thighs and your glutes are getting stronger, crossing the arms, looking beyond the index fingertip, and the other hand, you're pulling equally from the center of the chest. Okay, to come out of it, shift the weight to the left side, palms become flat, bring your legs in. Okay, ready? Again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Taking your time, so if you cannot go down too far with your horse stance, just do the best you can. Exhale as we drop. Inhale, open. Exhale, closer. Breathing in. Breathing out. So always make sure your knees are protected. I'd much rather you be kind to your knees than to have perfect posture. So do the best you can. Inhale. Exhale. Shift the weight in. Bring the feet. Last one. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. And coming out of it, shift the weight. Bring your feet in, and then hands in front of your lower dantian. This move harmonizes the energy between the heart and the lungs, and it strengthens the kidneys and the waist area. So the fire element in the body is in the heart, and then the water element is in the kidneys. When these 2 energy centers are strong and the energy well circulated, it helps us to support our health. And also stronger legs help us to pump the blood from the lower body up to the upper body. So make your body strong to have good heart health. Let's practice sound healing technique for our hardworking heart. Let's take the hands, gently rest the hands on the chest area. So take 3 breaths with me as you inhale, sending healing energy to your heart. Exhale, releasing any heaviness you might be holding in the chest area. If you're comfortable, you can close your eyes. Inhale. And exhale. Again, one more time if you can. Visualize your heart healthy. It's about the size of a fist, slightly larger. Exhale, releasing any heaviness. Okay, you can open your eyes. Let's flow the arms up from here on an inhale. Interlace the fingers, pressing the palms to face the sky. Stretching over to your right side. I'm going to do the same for myself. So stretch over to your right. Look up. If you feel comfortable, make the sound HAW to purge out the negative emotion we might hold in the heart, which is anxiety or hatred. And now we're going to send healing energy to the heart along the intention with a healing light and also the positive virtue for our heart. Okay, taking your time with your warm healing hands here, slightly to the left side. Now the color aligns with the heart, which is the fire element, is red, and season is actually summer. So it's excellent to do this in the summer season or anytime if you feel like you're holding anxiety or heaviness over here. Okay, sending healing energy right here with a red healing light. Visualize your healthy, vibrant heart. Again, inhale, arms float up, flip the palms up, stretch to your right, and make the sound. So purging out anything that you might be holding here, especially anxiety, maybe panic or hatred, and warm healing hands onto your heart with your intention, sending healing energy right here with a red healing light, bringing in love and joy. One more time. Breathing in, arms float up, stretch the palms up to your right, and make the sound. And slowly coming down, hands onto your chest, your heart, and with that intention, sending that red healing light into your heart. And in your heart, you can say, thank you so much, my hardworking heart. If you have a heart condition, thank you, my healing heart. And thank you for keeping me vibrant so that I get to do what I love to do. Inhale. And exhale. Let's slowly close here. Take a breath in. Grab all of that healing energy from all around. And gently bringing your hands down the front of your body, landing your hands on your lower abdomen. In order to have a strong and healthy heart, our kidneys also need to be healthy. You can click or tap the screen for another video on Qigong for kidney health. I'll see you there.